Well, hey there, guys, and welcome to the first episode of two beatbox battles. I know, great game. So today's battle will be between the first people to verse each other, and there's some series. So let's just start. So in this corner, we have a woodpecker. So today we have Woody. Hey there. And in this corner, we have someone who's pretty cool. We have Mickey Mouse. I'm annoying. No, you're not. Yes, I am. Okay, now settle down, guys. Let's just get it started with woodpecker. In 3, 2, 1, go. Nom 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 sup up nom nom sup up nom 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 I make you burn on always. Wow, that was a true and really epic performance by Woody. Any comments, Mickey? That was terrible, and it's even worse than poop. It's better than anything you can do. I don't know why you just become small, but let's fix it. Okay. Now, Mickey Mouse, you're going over next. In 3, 2, 1, go. Wow, what an epic performance by Mickey. Any comments, Woody? Yeah, that was terrible. Well, anyways, guys, that's our episode for this episode. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then drop a like and subscribe, or else poop will go in our mouth tonight. That's it.